What did we get?
Well, we caved.
So Jared, you know, being the city boy that he is.
Oh yeah.
Came here, he's like, hey, you guys don't have a dishwasher.
Jared said he wanted a dishwasher, so we used his truck to go get a dishwasher.
Okay,
I have washed dishes like all my life. It was only years in the past that I remember a dishwasher, and I hardly don't even remember it, so I don't really know how useful this thing is.
You know, we didn't really think about not having a dishwasher. It didn't even cross our mind to put it in when we were building the kitchen. So when he said that, it's like, oh, no, we don't need a dishwasher. Jerry bargained 35 buckaroonies because he's just that good.
Is it heavy?
Roll it around a little bit.
Yeah.
And every time we're over there washing dishes, it's like, we could use a dishwasher.
Ding! Like
so-
all those years, you know.
So when Bree and Jared left for one of their trips, we had his truck. So we snuck in and
With
got,
his truck.
we got a dishwasher, brought it back home. Woohoo! This is for you, Jared. Welcome to the family.
Can I take your order, please?
In building with earth bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be a part of our family for this week's adventure.
Right there. It's exciting.
And so it begins.
We did have a perfect spot to the right side of the sink underneath. A couple little things in there we used, sort of pulling the doors off. These two cabinets. And we are going to cut this area out just a little bit so that we can slide that dishwasher right in the hole. Easy? Don't know yet. We
it
are
was
not
like
there.
it was made to go there.
Plumbing and electrical fit right to it. That's fortuitous because I did not plan for that. Say, hey, in the future we could put a dishwasher here. But it did mean I have to take apart my beloved cabinets and chop into them with saws and screw into them and remove guts and pieces of them. It was really sad.
And that drawer, all those drawers that you labored to get them in just right so
I
they
did.
shut so nicely. And,
Yeah, it's okay.
but look at the benefit.
Hey, get a dishwasher.
Woo! Now, is that going to be big enough or do you have to go bigger?
I gotta go a little bit off of this side
Okay.
to make this all work, but then I gotta get some electrical setups. So
Electrical plumbing, I don't get
I
some.
pull these drawers and there's an electrical outlet over there I can plug this into. So
What are you doing?
Going crazy. Want to come? No, actually, gosh, that's a dad joke.
I noticed that you get all the work up to the point where the electrical goes in and it's like,
no.
it's like, price up!
Yeah, I think he's definitely our resident electrician. He's
Get our power from the breakers that these are on. So we have to run a power line from over here to where these are over to there. And so we're gonna run it through all these cabinets and then up and in there and
It's nice to have that, isn't it? So you don't have to. I mean, you could do it, but it just seems like it takes extra thinking.
Yeah.
And Bryson he's just intuitive.
I
so.
think about it and then it's wrong, and then I have to rethink about it. So then it's right.
Well, yes, if I do this. That was nothing. I think we need to connect this other end first. Maybe.
Not to take any of the credit away from Jared, because he's an awesome guy. I married him, I should know. But I just want to say that over the years, we have recommended a dishwasher. And Dad's and Mom's retort has always been, what do you mean? We don't need a dishwasher? We have 4 dishwashers.
We have you guys. That was
Power.
Fleming time.
Are you plumb out of ideas?
I'm plumb out of ideas. Eat some bleach. Put on some vinegar. You know what? That's not enough. Take some Raid. How much do you? How much Raid do we need? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 canisters back here. If I find a 6th, I'm gonna flip. Oh, I thought that was a 6th. It's up and clear. That was a trick that only the best of us know.
Unscrew it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Whatever you say, Bryson.
There we go. All right. Draining is done.
Jared also, not only did he come with his city dishwasher experience, but he had with the precise detergent that we could use. So we bought this precise detergent.
Releasing the hoses. Releasing the hoses, boys. We are releasing the hoses. Oop, that was the hose. No, I'm just joking. So all of this, water included, has got to go through those holes I put in there. First one. Drain. This goes through here. Okay, water goes in. Now here comes the finale. It'll fit. It'll fit. I feel it in my bones. Why does it not fit? What did I do? Goes in hole. Sweet.
Nailed it. Go ahead.
But you want the finer details. Don't you want the finer details in there?
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Bingo. And now, we're done.
I'm just absolutely stunned at how beautiful the dishes are coming out. There are no water spots, and we can put them in a little dirty. That was always my complaint in the past. Like, we gotta rinse them anyway.
Yeah, I might as well wash them.
But you can put them in, and I'm very impressed at how far dishwashers have come since we had
Yes.
one. Thanks, Jared.
Thanks, Jerry.
That is going to wrap it up this week. Our merchandise shop, we have free shipping going on now through Monday. So if you'd like to take advantage of that sale, it is rocking and rolling now. We are now getting back from the holidays, so we're going to be working again on our workshop build. We're pretty excited about that. And then of course we're getting back to our Monday podcast, and Mom is continuing on her really fun video editing series. We're pretty excited about that one too. So we really appreciate you being a part of our family, and we look forward to hanging out with you on Monday for that podcast. Bye!
Thank you! Do you realize you showed the dirtiest part of our kitchen? Mom's going to kill me. Like, do you see how dusty he is now? Look at him. Look at him.
It took getting married to get a dishwasher.
All I gotta say is,
Finally, what's the deal?
Let's go.
Even I had to put the thing in myself. Do I have to do everything around here?
But we love the dishwasher. Thank you, Jared. You were
Yes.
what we needed. This family needed you for a dishwasher.
Are you in pain?
Oh yes.
You think he's in pain?
I think he might be.
I'm in pain. I'm just a pain.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
Are you going to be a dishwasher, Salsa? Is that what you're going to be? Is that what you want to be when you grow up?
it's a true job, that is. I really brain farted.
Did you?
See this? Mm-hmm. Gotta go on the end of this.
Oh, see, what you could have done is instead of doing it around the entire thing, get your length cut. Get your length cut and then do it.
Got it.
You didn't see my face.
Oh, what did you do?
But you know how they do it, like the like, I don't know, making just random things look like, what is it, sexy or something like that. Just like,
Randomly. Oh, is that what you're trying to do? I thought you were constipated, so I'm glad you clarified that.
See? That's what they look like. They look like they're constipated.